Hi everyone, another quick tip for buyers today: get pre-approved. This is maybe the first step that you have to take when you're ready to buy. Pre-approval is not pre-qualification. A pre-qualification is just a statement that you make. It's not a proof. Pre-approval letter is very important. Why? Because then you don't waste time visiting houses that you cannot afford. And second, when you're ready to submit an offer, you're gonna have to send this pre-approval letter from your lender. If you pay cash, you still have to prove that you have the funds, so you still have to send this letter, this proof of funds when you submit the letter. If you don't have it, you're gonna lose time and maybe you're gonna lose the deal. Hi everyone, another quick tip for buyers: when you need a mortgage, shop around. Don't just go to your bank. Go to different mortgage brokers. Different lenders have different products, different fees, different requirements. A mortgage is like any other product. You can negotiate. You can negotiate the costs, the rates, the fees, and the requirements. And they may have different products that will fit better your needs. So shop around. Don't just go to your bank. Hi everyone, another tip for buyers, very important. So you get pre-approved, you have a mortgage, you chose a house, put an offer on, and then you get accepted. Great, now you're waiting for the closing day. There is few things that you really need to avoid to do before closing. What are they? You don't want to quit your job, of course. You don't want to change jobs. You want to pay your bills on time. You don't want to open new credit card accounts, nor do you want to close any. You don't want to change the limit of your credit cards. You don't want to make any expenses, big expenses, like buying a car or buying big furniture, or renovate your house or things like this. You want to keep a very low profile in terms of expenses. You don't want to change, open new bank accounts or change banks or transfer money from one account to another. Just keep low profile, don't do anything, and just wait for this closing day. Hi everyone, I'm in front of the office today, a little bit windy. It's a beautiful day. Another buyer's tip today. Once you find the house you love, you're gonna want to submit an offer. So the offer is a contract. It's a very long contract, the Aziz contract of Florida, many pages. You want to understand what's in there. You want to know what your options are. So ask your agent to go over every single paragraph ahead of time, not just once you're ready to submit the offer. Time is of essence in real estate, and especially in the seller's market. You don't want to lose time to understand at the last moment. You want to understand ahead of time. Ask your agent for the contract. Ask him to go over every single paragraph ahead of time.